Tonight we are working on a honeydew list. And one of those items is to take this remote and make it look like that. So I bought this shell. This is just a shell. It does come with a key that's uncut, obviously. And basically what we're going to do is just swap the guts. From the old remote to the new remote. And I do need to test the battery. I got a couple things here, assuming that I have the right remote battery. We had a code for a low battery on the remote. And so this battery may be getting low anyway. All right, so there's that. So let's just kind of orient these things in the same manner. Now I know we're swapping guts, so the circuit board stuff just kind of pulls out. And we're going to transfer that to the new remote. Shell, I should say. And let's pay attention to how the battery comes out of this. So we have the, oops. All right, so let's get this out of here. And this is a 2032, which says it's supposed to make 3 volts, right? So let's put our good one. That's the one we think is good. And let's put the red on the positive, black on the negative. All right, so I have 3.02. Let's take the one that I think is newer. Yep, definitely better. So we're going to go with that one. Now this side was facing, uh-oh, we already have a rattle. I may have knocked that loose myself. So let's put our battery in here. I don't know where that piece goes. So let's put our battery in. Not entirely sure that's how that goes. But that's how it came out, right? Okay, so that clearly snapped in. And let's see if this will go together. Lots of clicking and clacking. Let's take the good key, the one that's cut. Let's put that in. All right, so now let's turn this around so you can see too. Let's see if it locks. Ha! All right. There's unlock. Let's do the hatch. All right, so that clearly works. Now, will it start? Man, we're in business. All right, there you go, guys and gals. Make an old remote look new. Super easy and super cheap. See the link in the video description.